Hi guys, quick tutorial for you. I was making some tags and I wanted some backing paper and I didn't have anything to use, so I thought I'd make my own. So I thought I'd just do a quick video and show you how I do it. Very easy, very basic, but I thought I'd just show you anyway. I've done 3 different ones. This is sort of like a butterfly theme one with some little flowers and leaves on there. And this is lovely patterns on here, and it's got a lovely little fairy there. So that's a nice one. That would cover, if you didn't have the fairy on it, that would cover lots of different sort of themes. And this one is the one that I wanted originally, which is the sewing theme. So I've just randomly stamped some images on there. So what I have done, again, I've used my toilet roll tubes on here, as the back I mean, like this one. But again, you can use any cardboard, any boxing, any packaging that you have to recycle. And I've just got a piece of my tea stain paper and I have got some silicone stamps. Oops. So just pick whatever theme, whatever stamps that you have. I just want this one, so I'm going to use, you can see that they're well used, can't you? I think they need a wash because they're losing a little bit of their stickiness. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to randomly stamp the paper. Let's move this bit out of the way. Just random stamps all over. Let me just pop that on a little bit further. That's better. Just randomly stamp all over the paper. Which is, when I do it like this, I think it's quite good, because when you come up with a tag, or if you're making tags or envelopes or anything like that, you don't have to embellish so much. So if you don't have any stash of things and bits and pieces, too much stock, then this is a good way of doing it, so then you don't have to use up too much stuff. So I'm going to just pop that one on there. So that's your tape measure on here. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to stick, that's like a needle and thread, and that's a button. Let's see if I can fit that on. Don't know whether I've got enough room on there. Let's see. But you get the idea, look. And then in between, I just stamp little random pictures through here. And you can see you're coming up with a nice background. You don't have to do it in black, you can do it in any other colours that you have. But I think black, and then you can add your colour theme to it. What else have we got? Should we pop one in there? There's enough room. There we go. Can come off paper as well. And what else do we have on here? Got some scissors. Stick that back down. There's the scissors, there we go. I think it looks really effective. There we go. Okay, so then we've done that, and then all as I did, put that over there, is get one of my bits of card here, and then what I did, I glued it on the back, glued this down. So just cut your card to whatever size that you want your tag to be, and then I've just glued it down with some glue stick. And what I'm going to do is just pick a corner and pop that on like that. Flatten it all down and then just cut it out. You can do flowers, any of your rubber stamps. They don't have to be silicone ones. You can have the wooden block ones, anything that you've got. And there we go. So that we've got that. So these are the other ones here, look. Let me show you. That's the butterfly one. So it all comes out like that. That's the sewing one that I've done there. Oh look, I've got a sewing machine on that one. And that's the patterns and fairies on that one. So I'll put those over there. So once I've done that, look, and then I'm going to use this as a template for the little corners. Pop that there like that. Chop it out. And then we have a tag. Oh, these are my new inks. Look, I've got tea dye and distress ink, and then I got a new vintage photo. This tea dye is quite nice because it's sort of quite pale. So it's a nice one, and they're nice and juicy. And just edge it all like so, and then we have a nice tag. So there we go. Perfect. So that was a quick and easy way. So I thought I'd just show you what I've been doing. And then I don't cover the back, because what I'm going to do, if I want to put anything on or I want to sew anything on, I'll do that first. And then what I do, I cover the back with some tea stained paper. But in the next video, next tutorial, I'm going to show you how I decorate them, because I'm going to be making a pocket pack. So I wanted some tags to go in it, and so I'll show you that. So that's quick and easy. Just some background papers. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.